Hello everyone, this is Rubel from eTech Support. Today I am going to show you how to fix after updating Windows 11, Start menu and Windows Explorer not working. To fix this problem, simultaneously press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click on Task Manager. After opening the Task Manager, click on Run New Task. In the Open field, type CMD, give a check mark on, create this task on Administrative Privilege. Click on OK. Now copy and paste this command into the command prompt. This command is available under the description. Press Enter. After pressing the Enter, this command will automatically restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem is solved.
Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this.